Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel or welcome to the channel, and in today's video we're gonna talk about some of the common mistakes which you should avoid if you are considering to start freelancing. As of someone who has been in the freelancing market for more than a year now, I know a thing or two of what works and what doesn't. So if you are considering to start freelancing or even have started freelancing, then stick to the end of the video, because in the end section I'll be providing some of the most important tips which can make your freelancing journey smooth. So let's roll the intro. So the first mistake which you all can avoid is not researching the market. Not researching the market is the biggest mistake which you can do in the freelancing. You can't be providing projects in PHP when it is the world of Ruby, Python or Node.js. You can't be providing videos in 3GP when it is the world of full HD or even 4K. So if you don't research the market, know what skills are in demand and which are not, you are gonna waste many precious time of your freelancing journey, not getting any clients and then dropping freelancing for good in the last. So research the market before even start to learn any particular skill for freelancing, so that you could know what you have to sell and even if there are people to buy it. Second, not having a portfolio. In the previous video of how to start freelancing, I have told you all the importance of having a portfolio, and you can't even think about starting freelancing if you don't have a portfolio. And if you don't have any work to attach in a portfolio, then also I have told you all then how to make a good portfolio. So if you want to know about that, then you can watch that video, but after this video. So as I was saying, not having a portfolio is like going to a war without weapons. You know how to fight, but you don't have any equipments to showcase your skills. So in the freelancing business too, if you don't have any portfolio, then how will you showcase your skills to the client who on the basis of that is going to give you work? But if you use like websites like Fiverr, Freelancer or Upwork, then you are good, because making profile there is like making a portfolio. But if you are using traditional methods like reaching out people on LinkedIn and DMing people and cold DMing people, then you should consider having a good portfolio. Third, not having patience in the start. Not so long ago, a friend of mine told me that he wanted to start out freelancing for some data related work. So I set up his profile on Fiverr and told him to wait until someone reaches him out. And the very next day, he quit, saying he didn't get any clients. So why wait? Now believe me when I say this, because if you don't follow this advice, you're not gonna be on the freelancing business for more than a month. The thing is, everything takes time, and you are starting from scratch, then it is going to take you time for you to make money which you can call significant, because there's competition for every niche in the freelancing business. So if you are good enough, then just stick to it and take your time to do some good work which increase your profiles in the freelancing business. And if you have done some good work, then you're good to go in the freelancing business. So just don't quit, and because it is going to be hard in the beginning. Okay, so if you are liking this video, then please like, share and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, because that gives a lot of confidence for making out these videos regularly. Okay, so let's talk about the fourth mistake which you should avoid. Fourth, not setting clear rates. Now this point is for those people who have started freelancing but are struggling in the negotiation of money. I would give credit to Ishan Sharma because of this powerful tip. Now what he says is that when you are negotiating with people, then you should be the first one to make an offer. Now this is called anchoring effect, and what anchoring effect does is that it sets up a bracket of money from where someone can't go above and can't go beyond from the price which you have mentioned. So yeah, always be the first one to make the offer, but there's a catch in it too. You should know your worth. Like you should know that your work is about $5 to $10 and then make your offer. You can't be new in the market and then just asking people for $100 or $1000. It's just superficial. No one is going to give you $1000 for just making a particular thumbnail or shit. So now let's talk about the last tip, which many people are doing this mistake and don't even realizing it that they are doing it. Networking. Freelancing is none other than business, where you are providing clients what they want and in return you get paid. And in business, networking is very important. So you should give your 100% to a particular client so that he or she should retain you for any other works too. And if you're in good networking with other people's, you all can also get from other people's too, like from recommendations. You never know how many clients you can get from one particular client. So although it's a very small point, but it's very important tip if you want to be in the freelancing business for a long term. As you all are my regular viewers and I think you have subscribed to the channel, you have, right? Here's an extra tip for you all. As you know, you all are my clients and I serve my clients good. Not having a plan for work. Freelancing is not like other typical 9 to 5 jobs where you have a fixed timetable, but here you have a flexible work hours, but sometimes this flexible work hours in itself becomes toxic. So if you are considering to start freelancing or even is doing freelancing, then you should consider to have a particular plan for work. This would really help you in your own physical and mental health. Okay, so here we are at the end of the video, and if you have any thoughts, questions or comments, then you can comment them in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to read them all and to answer them. Until then, I'll meet you in the next one. Peace.